When it comes to home improvement, many homeowners in Metairie, Louisiana, consider door replacement as a way to enhance both the aesthetics and functionality of their homes. However, one factor that plays a significant role in this decision is the weather. The climate in Metairie, which experiences a mix of hot, humid summers and mild, wet winters, can have a substantial impact on the lifespan of exterior doors, influencing when homeowners decide to replace them. In this article, we will explore how different weather conditions affect door replacement decisions in Metairie, and what homeowners can do to ensure their doors withstand the local climate. Heat and humidity. The summer effect. Metairie is known for its hot, humid summers, with temperatures often reaching over 90 degrees Fahrenheit. The excessive heat and humidity can be hard on exterior doors, especially those made of wood. The intense summer conditions can cause wood doors to swell, warp, or crack, which may lead to functionality issues. These issues include difficulty opening or closing the door, and potential gaps forming around the edges that allow drafts or pests to enter the home. Homeowners may notice these problems beginning to develop as summer temperatures rise. In such cases, door replacement becomes a priority to prevent further damage to the doorframe or the security of the home. To counteract this, many homeowners in Metairie opt for materials that are more resistant to heat and humidity, such as fiberglass or steel. These materials are less prone to warping or expansion, making them a wise investment for homes in the area. Rain and moisture. The threat of rot and rust. Metairie experiences a significant amount of rainfall throughout the year, with the wettest months typically occurring in the spring and summer. Extended exposure to moisture can cause damage to exterior doors, especially wooden doors that are not properly sealed. Wood is highly susceptible to rot when exposed to excessive moisture, which can weaken the door structure over time. Similarly, metal doors, if not properly maintained, may develop rust and corrosion from repeated exposure to rain and humidity. During the rainy season, homeowners may notice signs of deterioration, such as peeling paint, mold growth, or visible rust spots on their doors. If left untreated, these issues can lead to more severe damage, reducing the door's effectiveness in protecting the home. To prevent this, homeowners should consider replacing doors that show clear signs of moisture damage, particularly those that have been exposed to years of wear and tear from the elements. For those looking to replace their doors with a material that better withstands rain and moisture, fiberglass and steel doors offer excellent protection. Both materials are highly resistant to water damage, ensuring that the door remains structurally sound and attractive for years to come. Additionally, fiberglass doors are often insulated, which helps with energy efficiency, a consideration that is important year-round in Metairie's climate. Storms and hurricanes. A critical consideration. Metairie, like much of the Gulf Coast, is no stranger to hurricanes and tropical storms. These powerful weather events bring strong winds, heavy rains, and flying debris that can wreak havoc on exterior doors. In preparation for hurricane season, many Metairie homeowners decide to replace their doors with more durable, storm-resistant options. Hurricane-rated doors, made from reinforced materials, are designed to withstand the pressure and impact of intense storms, protecting homes and families during the worst of the weather. In addition to protecting the home from the effects of hurricanes, storm doors can also improve overall security. For example, metal doors with impact-resistant glass can provide an additional layer of protection against break-ins during severe weather. Homeowners who live in areas particularly vulnerable to hurricanes may consider replacing their current doors with storm-rated alternatives to ensure the safety and integrity of their homes. Choosing the right door for the climate. When deciding to replace a door in Metairie, it's essential to choose a material that can stand up to the area's weather patterns. Homeowners should consider durability, weather resistance, and aesthetic appeal when making their choice. Fiberglass doors are often a popular option because they are energy efficient, resistant to moisture, and can be made to mimic the look of wood. Steel doors are also a reliable option, particularly when security is a top priority. Regardless of the material, regular maintenance and proper sealing are crucial in extending the lifespan of any door. Conclusion: weather conditions in Metairie significantly influence door replacement decisions. From the humidity and heat of summer to the rain and storms of hurricane season, the local climate can take a toll on exterior doors. Homeowners should be proactive in identifying signs of wear and considering door replacement options that are better suited to the environment. By choosing durable materials and investing in high-quality, weather-resistant doors, Metairie residents can ensure that their homes remain secure, comfortable, and attractive throughout the year.